welcome back to that. Do that all over.
Smooth. Yeah. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to Awesome Ava and Dorky Dad. Today we're going to do a Kano, that's a app thingamajig, and we're gonna do, and it's Harry Potter coding kit, which I'm really excited to do that. That's all I can really say. So let's get started unboxing. So that's that. That's the cover, I should say. These are the cover that I love that Harry Potter. That's I actually wanted my name to be Harry Potter when I actually saw it. So let's just take that out. And then what we have, what we have in there is we got this how to make a coding wand. I think it's very cool, and I think you know what for you to know what it is. Ooh, we got some stickers. I think it's very cool and nice. Ooh, do you see that big one? These are very nice. They're like, I think they're for your computer. So then my dad can just keep putting them on there. I think that's going to be really cool. Then we got another book. A ducto, something like that. And this is just, actually, I think it's a little.
Well, it's our poster of our wand motions.
Yeah, so we can know that. It's like, this is like phone numbers, I believe. So, not very important. But just in case we have it. And then we have some other stuff. So we're gonna, we can use this actually for a present maybe. So it comes with some nice black Lego stuff, whatever that is. Ooh, I want to show you guys something. So I went to Harry Potter World. This is reminding me. I went to Harry Potter World and I got a wand, which comes with a wand too. But I think I'm going to use this one because this one might be dirty. So I kind of put my mouth on there. Yeah, I like to put mouth. I like to put mouth on a lot of stuff. So that's there. Ooh, that cut. Got a little string for you to like hold your wand maybe. Got this little thing that will, I believe, go in like the part there. Ooh. Oh, this didn't break off or something. There's that. And then we got this little thing. It has a little note on the back. I think that's nice. It says, "For magic and magic." I don't know. I can't read that. And then we got some batteries, which I think is nice. So we don't need to have them. And let's make sure we have nothing else because there's something in here. Okay.
So our next step is to build the wand, right?
Yep, to build the wand.
All right, so our next step here is to actually assemble the wand so we can get into coding and making our magic come alive. And so it comes with this book right here. Kind of gives you everything you need. We're not going to spend a lot of time on it, but it does break down all the components, which is actually pretty cool and important for kids to understand how things work. So our first thing is to add the batteries. So on the back side of that, there's a place for batteries.
You will pull this apart because I really know where else. That's what the note basically says. have a lot of songs stuck in my head right now. Wait, I actually think we just need to. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Make sure you put them in the right way so you don't break it.
Wait, which way does this go that way? Right?
We'll get the positive and negative. See the positive and the negative?
Oh.
Batteries have positive as well.
Okay, so then this one goes like that.
Oh.
Whoa, I did not expect that.
I got some,
Ooh,
we got
look
some
at
lights
that.
flashing.
Lights. That's nice. I like that.
Okay, once we got the batteries on, make sure the blue light is on.
Blue light's on.
Okay. Okay, so then they're talking about, see that black square in here?
This?
Yep.
Yeah.
That has a gyroscope in it that senses gravity. And it also has an accelerometer so it knows your speed, and a magnetometer to calculate the direction of the wand. So that's what's going to allow us to do all our kind of magic stuff here. All right. Grab the button and place it into the hole of the coating wand handle. No. Yep. Is there a button in there?
Like this.
Okay. It should kind of click in.
Let's see if I can do it. I think I did it. Oh, is it on the bottom maybe? Wait. No, it's not on the bottom.
And then it says put the coating wand on a flat surface
I have it on
and carefully place the board into the handle.
this.
Yep.
Oh, wrong way. So it says carefully, so I'm trying to do it.
That's the right way.
Ah, I believe. Yes, it is. Because it doesn't go the other way.
See the button? Goes with the button.
Oh, I don't do it.
Okay, we put the case on.
So now we're going to put this case on to cover it.
Okay.
There's our wand all together.
Can we see the light still at the bottom?
Yep, I can. See that?
Okay, we gotta pick it up.
Pick it up, just like an original wand.
Okay. Now it's time to download the app, and then we'll get going into our first code. Okay, so our first step here, it's telling us that the coating wand uses Bluetooth to connect, so make sure your device Bluetooth is turned on, which we do have. So Ava, go ahead and hit next.
Next. Let's do next.
Hold your coating wand close to your tablet or computer and press its button once.
Where's the button? Oh, I guess this?
Move off the screen. Can you see the blue light flashing?
Mm-hmm. Then it says, hold your coating wand close to your...
Oh, we got a green light. Found your device. We have to update our coating wand. Place it close and leave your device turned on until the update's complete. So go ahead and hit start. Okay, so it's updating. So we're going to let this sit here for a minute while it's updating.
And I found it very
And then we'll come back when it's ready. All right, our update is complete. So go ahead and hit done there, Ava.
done.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's cool. Can you see that, guys? It's like a big map of like the Harry Potter world.
So what's our first task here?
I don't really...
It looks like it says Diagon Alley. We visited that place this summer, didn't we?
Yes.
So why don't you go ahead and tap on number 1. Let's see what it does.
Number 1. I like face this way, kind of like that, maybe.
Yep. Let's see if we can go a different angle here, maybe.
So it looks like, I don't really know. So it says Madame Malfin's robes Well, all those so
Well, it says you have to, right here. So I know it's hard to see on the screen, but there's these orange dots. I think you have to start us. So go ahead and press the orange dot there, Ava. At Hogwarts.
At Hogwarts. Isn't
Oh
Hogwarts?
my gosh, look at all these challenges.
Are we not even gonna do any?
No, hit next challenge.
Next challenge.
Learn how your coating wand works. We're at the leaky cauldron, so go ahead and start it. You gotta use your finger. Let's start by centering your coating wand. Point it at the middle of the screen and press its button.
So button is right there, and it points it right there. Whoa! Whoa! That's so cool!
Let's see.
I point it at the middle, and then I can go like this, and it goes with me. So it's like a butterfly kind of going with you.
All right, give it a wave.
Bye!
No, a wave with the wand, Goofy. Next.
Whoa! Knock the objects off the shelf. Whoa! Oh, I know what I need to do. Where is it? Here, and then bring this over. This is very fun, guys. You should get this. It's very fun. It's like a little bug following you, but it's also kind of, whoa, tricky. Coating wand, I should say continue. Mystery.
Avatar accessory. You can dress up your character.
Whoa,
So your avatar is that girl.
yes, I'm a girl. So I think mystery.
Ooh, what kind of scarf? Remember how they wear the scarves in the movie?
Yeah. Which one should I do? I think I'm gonna do. Which one's closer to the? I think. What colors are the?
They're like maroon and gold, but you can pick your own colors.
So what's colors? Maroon is
Like a red.
red. So the closest one to red is I think green because it's time Christmas. So I'm gonna press.
So you can see here just through our first couple of missions how interactive and engaged my daughter was. And so this was a great opportunity through the love of Harry Potter to get young kids inspired. You can see the reading, you can see the critical thinking, and the continued development of coding and earning the badges and rewards that we know kids really like. It gets them excited, it keeps them pushing to the next thing, and even something as simple as earn that scarf was enough to keep her going along. So a great product that I love. And I look forward to developing and playing and tinkering and designing the Harry Potter wand with my daughter to see where her learning goes next. That's smooth. Yeah.